Hi, in this video, I will show you how to change email without verification in Epic Games. So as of right now, I'm currently onto the web page of Epic Games. I'm on store.epicgames.com and you should be able to see this. Now from in there, just head over and then click right here into your account name and then go over right here to the account option. So click on it, and then once you have done that, you should be redirected to the account settings of Epic Games. Once you're in here, it will directly be on the account information, and we have in here our email address. If you click on this pencil icon right here, it should be able to allow you to add a new email address. So I'll head over and add in here some. So let me just click on it and then type in here something. After that, click on continue. And then for this one, you just need to load this one in order to actually add this as your new email right here. So on some cases, it will send security code. So if you don't have your email yet, you can head over and then email the contact or the support of Epic Games in order to change your email into your new one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this picture helped you out.